Welcome back to our Planet Coaster 2 series, where we are in the process of building a roller coaster with 100 inversions. This is episode number 10. At the end of this episode, we will be going on a POV of a Colossus roller coaster. It's gonna be sick. Before we get to the POV, we have got some work to do, which does include adding our 10th inversion to our roller coaster and also finishing and placing our station cover into place. So yep, this is what we've been building so far. We're looking at kind of an industrial slash steampunk vibe for this roller coaster. Yeah, and hopefully as we progress over the next few episodes, we'll add some more of that theming in. But like I said, by the end of this episode, we've got the station in place and we have an exit gift shop as well. So there we go. You've just seen me try to put in a dive loop off to the left into our roller coaster and fail miserably because it was going far too close to the vertical lift hill. So we've just had to bend that round to the right hand side and just make that inversion slightly smaller. You've also seen that I've just had to remove the corkscrew that we placed a couple of episodes ago just to kind of line it up a little bit. Oh, that coaster's not making it over the heartline roll at the end, so we're probably just gonna have to change the layout of that part of the coaster. Do you see there as well? We've just dipped the terrain down ever so slightly too, and that should now work nicely. Let's just see if the train is going to make it through the final portion of the ride. So this is the train itself starting from the middle of the coaster. It's starting from the block brake section that starts underneath the loop. So if this makes it through, then all of the other trains should make it through with absolute ease. Yeah, just about makes it through. And now that we're happy that the coaster is going to make it around the full track, let's get it on to test and let's have a look at the stats. So there you go, 10 inversions and currently over 100 seconds. And look, we earned a trophy. We earned the trophy. Down is up for our 10 inverting roller coaster. That is really interesting. Let's see if there is going to be a trophy for us hitting 100 inversions. Yeah, there's the dive loop, coming through that with quite a bit of pace. Through the corkscrew and then slowing down at the end for the heartline roll. Yeah, there's some good pace on that coaster. I'm very happy with that. So, as we discussed at the start of this episode, we are going to be doing a lot of work. So we're going to close down our theme park so we can start getting some more infrastructure in, getting some more theming in. We've got a few stragglers in the park. I'm not entirely sure why these guys are walking so incredibly slow. Yeah, I don't know if that's some sort of glitch, but we'll let's just pick them up. Let's race them. Let's put them next to each other and let's race them. Oh, that seems to have fixed the problem. Yeah. Anyway, let's move on from that because we've actually still got some guests stuck on the station. So I don't know how long they're going to stay there for. Maybe they're here for the rest of their life. So we've done a little bit of editing of the station cover itself. As you can see, we've added the roof and the windows to the top of the building, and we've also added a brake run cover as well. Like I said before, we're going for kind of a steampunk, industrial-esque sort of theme for our roller coaster. I'm pretty happy with how the station itself has turned out. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Let me know if you think if the station is fitting for a 100 inverting roller coaster. So yeah, let's just get that nicely lined up there. Just one quick swoop round. Now we're going to have to do a little bit of work here just to remove that wall so customers, and at the exit as well. Yeah, so customers don't need to phase through the walls. We'll get that sorted out. We'll get that looking neat as well. But yeah, I don't think that's looking too bad. So back into build mode. Sped this up pretty quickly, but yeah, I'll let you guys watch this. And there you have it. In the space of just over 2 minutes, we've completed the station for the roller coaster. We have completely changed the exit ramp, and we have also added in a gift shop and exit building as well. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how the sightlines are looking there. I'll probably still do a little bit more work for the kind of the exit building / the gift shop area, but I'm pretty happy with that, with how that looks at the moment. So here's a little view from how the coaster's looking from the new queue section, and here is what it looks like inside the building itself. So all that's left to do is watch the next train come in and jump on for an on-ride POV. Enjoy!